Before this video starts, make sure you go follow me on Instagram and on Twitch at, well, my Instagram is Unorthodox Beats and my Twitch is Unorthodox Gaming 97. Links in the description. You know how we do. Let's get on with this video, baby. Wow. What's going on, guys? We're back for yet another video. This is another video. Can you believe it? Anyway, today we're gonna be doing a Playboy Carti type beat, but we're going to be using PlayStation sounds. So like, found this video like on my YouTube. You know how YouTube be recommending you some random ass videos or whatever? So YouTube recommended me some random video, and it was like the PlayStation sounds, like over the years. Like it started from PlayStation 1, like the startup sound, and then went to PlayStation 4, all the way to PlayStation 4. And I heard the PlayStation 2 sound, and I was like, I need to make a beat with that. Yeah. We're gonna do that. So I downloaded the MP3 of the thing, have it here, and we're gonna, you know, do the thing with the thing. So if you haven't done so already, make sure to leave a like. I need you to like this video. Okay, this is about to be lit. All right, share it, comment, you know, all that stuff, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, we're literally less than 1,000 subscribers away from 10K. All right, and yeah, let's do this thing. All right, here are the sounds for the play. I don't know why there's two. All right, so here's the full thing. All right, here's the full thing. Has all the PlayStation sounds. I don't think these are copyrighted. They shouldn't be, but what y'all know about the PlayStation 1, man? Yo. All right, we're just gonna. I'm gonna do my thing with it. Pause. All right, now that's nice. I like it, very nice. It's kind of loud. It's really harsh. So we're gonna add EQ and reverb because you know that's the only thing I know how to do.
2,000 years later, 6.5.
All right, now let's add some drums. I got a new Pierre kit. Don't worry, I got it off Reddit, so just go on Reddit. Now I'm gonna add some hi-hats because I like the hi-hats. You know what? I'm gonna keep going. I'm just gonna do the drums. I'm gonna go back to counter melody because that's what I was thinking. I was thinking like I was forgetting something. Counter melody. I was gonna go in Nexus. Edison. I was gonna go in Electra and add a counter melody, but I'm gonna do the drums first. I'm feeling the drums right now. All right, let's add some kicks. All right, and I'm just gonna copy that over because I just can't be asked to make a fancy kick pattern. All right, so. All right, now we need a snare, okay? Okay, I just need to find a good one. Oh, I like that snare a lot. Woo! God damn. Oh my God. Okay, yo, man, I'm back, guys. Oh my God. Listen, I'm really excited. I'm really excited. We all know what's gonna happen when I get excited. I'm just gonna. Oh, I forgot the claps. Let me layer the snare with the clap. All right, now it is time for the 808 pattern. Okay, it's got the bounce. Most definitely. Now we need that 808. just went off beat. Wow. Alright, so I'm loving it. I'm loving it so far. Alright, the beat's not done. We need to add a counter melody. I really need that counter melody, okay? This is a very good start. Okay, very nice. But this is fire, alright? I think I want to change that 808 though. Okay, time for the counter melody, okay? I'm gonna open up next. There you have it. There is my Playboy Carti type beat using PlayStation sounds. So if you like the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 10K. Like, come on, just subscribe. Just do it, all right? You're not gonna regret it. Let me know what videos you want to see in the future in the comment section. I probably already said that already. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for still rocking with me after my hiatus. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Peace.
Unorthodox beat.